A. Fuel-fired boiler, commonly known as a gas boiler or oil boiler, is a type of heating system that uses fossil fuels to generate heat for indoor spaces. These boilers are widely used in homes, offices, and other buildings, providing a reliable source of warmth during the colder months. One of the main advantages of fuel-fired boilers is their efficiency. Compared to older boilers, modern models can achieve efficiencies of up to 98%, which can help to reduce energy bills and save money in the long term. This is due in part to the use of advanced technologies, such as condensing heat exchangers, which capture and reuse waste heat that would otherwise be lost.